Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to register Trust Wallet. First, you'll need to download the official Trust Wallet application. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Trust Wallet. It's crucial to verify you're downloading the legitimate app to protect your assets. This secure wallet supports over 1 million cryptocurrencies and tokens, offering broad compatibility for your digital assets. Once the application is installed, open it up. You'll see an option to create a new wallet. Tap on this to start your journey. Before proceeding, carefully read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. This step is essential for understanding your responsibilities. Next, you'll be asked to set a 6-digit passcode, which provides an initial layer of security for your wallet, protecting it from unauthorized access. This is the most critical step, securing your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Anyone with it can access your funds. You must write it down in the exact order on a physical piece of paper. Do not store it digitally. Trust Wallet will never ask for this phrase, and you should never share it with anyone, ensuring your assets remain completely safe and under your control. After carefully writing down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it. You'll need to enter the 12 words in the precise order you recorded them. This step verifies that you have correctly saved your phrase. Once confirmed, your Trust Wallet is successfully created and ready for use. You can now confidently send, receive, and store a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens, managing your digital assets with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.